Hello friends, this is Ishwar here, and in this video let us see how to install POCO Launcher on any Android phone. So I am here with the Redmi Note 4 running on Lineage OS Android Pie. So if you want me to show you, here's it. As you can see, it is running on Android Pie. So in this Redmi Note 4, I'm just going to install the POCO Launcher, and you can install it on any phone and make your phone look like a POCO phone. So we can just get into Play Store and search for POCO Launcher. But as you can see, the early access program is currently full, but as you all know, we can now install POCO Launcher on our phones, and the APK file is easily available to be installed. We can just install the POCO Launcher using this APK file. I will leave a link in the description box below through which you can install this POCO Launcher. So after getting into the APK, just tap on install, and then it will start to install the POCO Launcher on our phone. Now after that, just tap on the home button, and it will ask you to select the POCO Launcher, and then tap on start. It will ask whether to select the POCO wallpaper or the current wallpaper itself. So you can just select the POCO wallpaper, and then it will ask you some permissions. You are here with the POCO Launcher, as you can see. And if you are running a MIUI phone, you will get the default MIUI icons over here, and if you want to change the icons, you can just tap on settings and then tap on more, and then over here you get all the other settings. You can just tap on icon pack over here and then select one of your icons. For example, I have a hello icon pack over here. I can select it and apply, and then as you can see, the icon pack is applied. Now when we get into settings again, there are some other options like transition effects, set default screen, and fill empty cells, lock home screen layout, hide app icons, and more. As you can see, scroll bar, original layout or A to Z. And when we get into the app drawer, as you can see, when we scroll through over here, we get the usual pixel way of scrolling, and when we scroll horizontally, we get these different sections like communication, entertainment, photography tools, and all those other stuff, and these are arranged according to these sections. The POCO Launcher is pretty much smooth, and if you haven't yet joined our Telegram group, I will leave a link in the description box below. You can join using that, and we talk a lot in our Telegram group. I also share some screen on times of different ROMs. For example, this is the Lineage OS Android P ROM, which has about 9 hours and 30 minutes of screen on time, as you can see. And if you want to join, I will leave a link in the description box below. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you want to share this video to your friends, hit the share button. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Peace.